Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for for virtual event planning and hosting, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search and let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So that's it. So first of all, let's create new site. Build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. Virtual events planning and hosting. So for example, let's choose this and let's continue. Enter your business name, type any business name you want here if you want to add your business address. Now let's continue. Set your default working hours. Now if you want to add services, and here add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, and sell digital and physical products. Accept and payments and person payments. Now let's continue. Continue to dashboard. So now design your site from here. How would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your information is here, your business name, if you want to add your logo, your email, your address and your phone, and if you want to add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. Add page to your site. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your website, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the settings of the website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here, text element, you find the theme text, the titles and paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. uh, Here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the buttons. Here you find the themed buttons, text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and iTunes button. And here the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and team. So select any one of these and add it on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes. You find here the same lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Also here we find picture ads, featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. And here the last is the video elements, the video box, video mask, and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes elements, and here we find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. Here we find the gallery elements. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add the pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you wanna show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menu and anchor. If you wanna manage your themed menus, or your horizontal menus or your vertical menus. Here if you wanna add some anchor or in-page menu, and here the site search, the last if you wanna edit your site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. So these all the contact forms you have to add on your home page. You have here the contact forms, order forms, registration, donation, application, feedback, and request, and waiver, and subscribe forms. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps and the full width maps. Here you find the chat, the Wix chat and the line. Here we find the video and music elements. If you want to add some single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, here you find the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows, and here you find the light boxes and the boxes and the hover repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Here also you find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit your elements, your audio elements or your advanced elements, marketing tools and the video dev mode and the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add your social bar on your home page, the link, if you want to add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest or VK or Line or YouTube, and here you find the payments. If you want to add payments buttons, and here the payments forms, pricing plans and store, and here you find CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site's contents, if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, here if you want to edit your store audience, here your store section, and here the booking section. If you want to edit your bookings elements and your related elements and the pricing plans, here you find the events if you want to create and manage events, and here you find the community and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section you want to add on your home page. Now let's move on to the page and menus. If you want to add page on your website, so here you can add page, and here the site menu. So let's move on to the site design. If you want to design your site design, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions, and here if you want to add apps, and if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix videos or Shutterstock image, Shutterstock videos. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site's content, and the last here is marketing and SEO, and here if you want to manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Here if you want to design your website, you can design your website homepage. If you want to move the sections, you can move it up or move it down. You can do a quick edit. Here if you want to explore section layout, if you want more actions, you can delete or duplicate this section. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.